Hello friends, this is Adil. This video is in collaboration with Razer. Today I'm doing an unboxing of Razer Blade 15 Advanced model which comes with the 10th generation Core i7 NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080 GPU. It has a 15.6 display panel with a QHD 240Hz ultra fast refresh rate which is specially designed for gamers. Razer Blade 15 Advanced model comes with the FHD 360Hz 4K OLED touch, but I'm doing an unboxing of 240Hz model. Also, it has a 1TB SSD and 32GB DDR4 memory. It has a special per key RGB keyboard powered by Razer Chroma. For more detail about 15.6-inch gaming laptop specification and buying information, check the links down below in the video description. Also, after 8 minutes of video, I have tested 3 heavy graphics games for showing you CPU and GPU performance. So let's go explore. If you are residing in Saudi Arabia or the Middle East, Razer launched an Arabic website. See the switch option, and here you can find the Arabic version of the Razer website. Razer Blade 15 Advanced model gaming laptop comes with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080 model with Core i7 processor. Let's do the unboxing and see what's inside the box. Razer printed a big logo on the box of the laptop which really looks wonderful. Oh wow, what a stylish looking box with the plastic wrapping on the laptop really amazed me. It's premium metal chassis and sleekest gaming laptop in terms of style, quality and portability. It measures 0.67 inch height, 9.25 inch width and 13.98 inch depth with only weighs 2.01 kg, pretty thin gaming laptop. Also, it comes with some user manuals, cleaning cloth for the screen and Razer stickers. It's a slim gaming laptop with the anodized black 15.6-inch Blade 15 gaming laptop with the backlit green Razer logo embedded on it. Let's set up the Windows 10 Home Edition with the help of Cortana Microsoft Virtual Assistant feature. Razer Blade 15 comes with the 10th generation Core i7 10875H, 8 cores, 2.3 GHz and dual channel DDR4 32GB memory, boot drive type is SSD with 1TB capacity, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080 graphics power. Its tested battery life is up to 7 hours with a built-in 80 watt-hour rechargeable battery. For more detail, check the video description. The Blade 15 720p webcam has good picture quality and it's a Windows Hello built-in IR HD webcam. Razer Blade 15 is featured by THX Spatial audio with the built-in stereo speakers, and it has a 7.1 codec support through an HDMI cable. On the left side we have two USB 3.2 Type A ports, a USB-C port with Thunderbolt 3 support, a headphone jack and the power connector. On the another side there is another USB-A 3.2 port, another USB-C port without Thunderbolt, and HDMI video output and an SD card reader. The 15.6-inch display features a QHD 2560 by 1440 resolution and a 16:9 aspect ratio. Each display is individually calibrated for accurate color accuracy. The screen also has 4.9 mm bezels and a matte finish to reduce glare. Visuals are handled by the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080 graphics card with 8 GB of GDDR6 VRAM and ray tracing. The keyboard features Razer Chroma N-Key RGB lighting. You can customize your backlit keyboard with up to 16.8 million colors and different lighting effects. This keyboard also has an N-Key rollover. The system also includes support for Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth wireless connections. Now time to show you its CPU and GPU performance by playing different games like Mortal Kombat 11, Doom Eternal and GTA 5.
Of all the Nightwolves I have fought, you are the fiercest.
It must be why the Great Spirit chose me to wear the mantle.
You are also anomalous. No one has ever escaped the void. Fight!
The wolf is at your door.
I hope you enjoyed the unboxing of 10th generation Core i7 with the GeForce RTX 3080 GPU, and its in-depth review I will share in couple of days. You can find the Razer Middle East website and its detailed information down below in the video description. If you are interested in drone footage, click on this playlist. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.